Back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin with news on the weather as sections of the country were pounded by heavy rain today. This affected travel, schools and other entities. And as you'll hear later, in at least 2 parishes, we received reports of residents being marooned. But first, what's behind all this rain and when is it expected to stop? Romaine Robinson is here to give us a live update. Romaine, first of all, it's been a while since we've seen consistent rainfall like this. What's causing all this rain?
Well, classic for October, we tend to have our wettest season, or October is one of the wettest months across the island. So because of that, we have been seeing activity across the island as a result of these troughs that pass through the area, as well as some frontal boundaries that are still dying out over in the western portion of the Caribbean. We still have clouds, showers and thunderstorms associated with these dying systems lingering in the western Caribbean, and they have been influencing the weather pattern across the island over the past 3 days.
Which parishes were most affected?
It's St. Mary that really is rising to the top in terms of the highest rainfall amounts. We've had upwards of 60 millimeters from a number of rainfall stations in that parish. But other parishes, Portland has also been experiencing quite a bit of rainfall, as well as St. Thomas, parts of Kingston and St. Andrew. And we've also had some heavy reports of rainfall in sections of St. Catherine, especially over the last 24 hours. So the rain really did start in the east from about Monday, but the heaviest has been in sections of St. Catherine over the past 24 hours, so that will be today.
You said over 60 millimeters of rain were recorded. Just give us an idea as to what that looks like.
60 millimeters, especially for St. Mary, is more than enough to cause flooding, more than enough to cause some land slippage. And as you can hear, or you have been hearing, that persons have been marooned, persons have lost property as well, and there has also been reports of flooding across sections of those areas.
So when can we see blue skies again?
Normalcy is not likely to return until about Friday. We're still expecting some morning showers, especially across eastern parishes on Friday, but the numbers aren't going to be what we have been experiencing, the typical morning showers that you get across sections of Portland and St. Mary. And then on Saturday, we're back to a sunny morning, partly cloudy afternoon with some showers mainly across the west.
Thank you very much, Romaine Robinson. And of course, we'll have much more in the weather report and forecast.